Hello again, thanks for joining me. It's just a really quick update on my almost couch to 10k for my lockdown challenge. So I'm just out for another 5k training run. It's only actually the third run I've been out for. You may have seen the first one. Did an update on my first 5k. And yeah, that went well enough. I didn't have ache the next day though. And that's the thing, at my age, you need plenty of recovery time. So between that recovery time and bad weather, we've had snow and floods and everything, been difficult to fit runs in. So in between these two 5k's I've only managed to fit another shorter 4k run in, but I'm not doing too bad, and I'll just keep doing the 5k's and then hopefully after another week or so start building the distance up a little. And then it was done, another 5k under the belt. I think it was a little faster even lower for that stop with Dave Winglow.